This is the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for May 16th, 2021. So to sum things up, we're looking at continued warm weather lasting through midweek, and then we're going to have a low pressure system that will cool us off and potentially bring widespread rain to the region for the second half of next week. In the meantime, unsettled weather continues through the midweek and beyond. So here's looking at our satellite view, and we have a pair of low pressure systems that's causing the weather to be more unsettled. Our first low pressure system is over California, and this system will be moving into the southern Great Basin over the next couple of days. In the meantime, we'll see waves of showers and thunderstorms drift up into Idaho from the south. And the best chances of showers and thunderstorms are mainly going to be over our southeast highland areas. But some areas in the Snake Plains, Central Mountains could see some isolated to scattered thunderstorms as well. Our next system we're watching is a low pressure system out here in the Gulf of Alaska that'll arrive for mid to late week next week, and that will bring cool and more likely more widespread rainfall to the region. So here's looking at the weather impact overview, and generally nothing too significant in terms of impacts, just occasional showers and thunderstorms across much of the area. So here's looking at our high temperature forecast for today, and you see many locations continue to be in the well into the 70s, if not near 80. Just looking at your high temperature forecast for Monday. Tad bit warmer in the Magic Valley area, and maybe even the Snake Plain as well. As our chances for thunderstorms actually decrease a little bit on Monday. And then Tuesday, still continued mild across much of the region. Here's looking at those rainfall amounts now through Tuesday. These are not absolute guaranteed amounts. This is very dependent upon where thunderstorms set up and tend to cluster together. We're guessing right now that potentially we could actually see a couple clusters of thunderstorms develop mainly today, possibly a little bit more tomorrow as well, over those southeast highland areas. And in those areas, roughly around 1/4 inch of rain is possible, but it's a very much a hit and miss type of thing, feast and famine type of thing. So if you're looking for rainfall, don't exactly bet very heavily on that occurring. And that's really where the best chances are. Even in the Central Mountains and Snake Plain and Magic Valley, those rainfall chances are much less. We do have a lake wind advisory out today for the American Falls Reservoir, and that's because we are expecting northeast winds pouring into that low pressure system today coming over the American Falls Reservoir. That should create a little bit of rough chop out there in the lake, especially if you're out close to the dam. So this is looking at the 6 to 10 day rainfall precipitation outlook, and we're calling for near or above average chances for precipitation. That's with that big low coming down into the area, and we are calling for way cooler than normal temperatures as well. So for those of you looking for some free rainfall or to decrease the fire threat that's been increasing over our area, this is definitely a welcome sight. For those of you seeking warm temperatures and sunshine, maybe not such good news. So just to summarize, continued warm through midweek, unsettled week weather continuing as well. This concludes our briefing, and if you want to contact us, here's the information how you can get a hold of us. Thank you very much.